for us, it's always about, we can talk about mechanics of a material, or we can talk about the dream of what it's going to do. But it's narrowing in on actually what is the purpose of what are you trying to do to make it absorbable? Why? It's different for everybody, right? Sometimes it truly is just a mechanical strength, right? They need it to be, a suture. I mean, the primary role of a suture is it's going to maintain strength for, maybe a couple of weeks as that collagen forms and the strength returns to the tissue. But if you're building a tissue engineered structure, it may not necessarily be about strength, right? Maybe you're going to splint the application, maybe you're going to do something else. And so then the primary role of that temporary structure is about creating a great environment for tissue growth, right? More than strength. So everybody's why is different, and it's about getting to that why. And then everything falls in. The materials fall in after that, the design cues, whether it's a porous structure, the organization of those pores, right? So we don't, you said something great yesterday, we don't like to just see the same 3 lattice structures, right? And because it's not a one size fits all.
Yep.
Lattice structure has to follow the intended use, the intended function. So we don't kind of hold ourselves to any rigid idea of what a device should be until we understand the actual why of why you need something bioabsorbent.